In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook watch history. So for any reason you want to delete your Facebook watch history, this is how you can do it. First thing, you want to click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here you want to click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, click on Activity Log. This will take you to your Facebook activity log. On this page, you want to come here and click on Videos You've Watched. And this will load all your Facebook watch history. You can go ahead to click on the video to watch the video, and then here you can delete the video by clicking on the three dots on the video, and you should see delete. You can delete from here. If you wish to delete your whole watch history, you can click on clear video watch history and then click on clear video watch history. This will clear all the videos on your watch history. So thank you for watching this video on how to delete Facebook watch history, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, support this channel by liking, sharing, subscribing and turning on the post notification bell. I hope to see you guys in my next video.